And now we have arrived in the city. We are standing right outside the Kadikoy Ferry Station, one of the busiest and most popular transportation hubs on the Asian side of Istanbul. There are small kiosks selling coffee and fresh pastries. Here, you can also find ATMs if you need to withdraw cash. And of course, you can often meet a friendly street cat. From here, you can enjoy a beautiful view of the sea. There are plenty of benches where you can sit down, relax, and take in the stunning scenery before continuing your journey. This is one of the main ferry terminals in Kadikoy. From here, ferries operate on several routes, including the Üsküdar-Kadikoy line and the Beşiktaş line. Ticket machines are located just a few steps away.
But today, we are planning to take the ferry to Eminönü. For that, we need to walk to the next ferry station, located just a short distance from here. We enter the terminal building for the Kadikoy Eminönü route. Inside, there are ticket machines where you can buy single tickets or add balance to your Istanbulkart. We now walk deeper inside the station. On the electronic display board, we can see the direction of the ferry and the time of its departure. On the screen, you can see the updated ferry prices for the beginning of 2026. And now we wait for our ferry. Ferries in Istanbul are an important part of the public transportation system, and they run very frequently. On the Kadikoy Eminönü route, ferries depart approximately every 20 minutes.
And here comes our ferry. This ferry has several levels, and since there aren't many passengers at this time of day, we can easily choose a comfortable spot. Let's go up to the second floor. On each level, there are indoor seating areas with windows, as well as open-air decks where you can enjoy the sea breeze. We choose to sit outside so we can fully enjoy the views. And now our ferry departs from Kadikoy. Let's take a look at the map to see our route. First, we travel from Kadikoy Ferry Terminal to the Kadikoy Pier. Passengers who need Kadikoy can get off there, but we will continue all the way to Eminonu. Now that we know our route, we can relax and enjoy the journey. Along the way, we can see many other ferries passing by. Istanbul's waterways are always full of movement. We also pass by the Haydarpaşa Railway Station, which during our visit was undergoing restoration. Some passengers bring bread to feed the seagulls. The birds already know this tradition well, so they often fly right next to the ferries, waiting for food. From the distance, we can also see the Marmara University buildings and the historical Selimiye barracks. If you look carefully, you might even spot the Bosphorus bridge. We slowly approach Kadikoy Pier. Passengers who need to get off step out here, while we continue toward the next and final stop, Eminonu, which is very close. As we sail forward, we pass right next to the Galata bridge. On the opposite side, you can see the beautiful Yeni Cami, also known as the New Mosque, a place we will visit soon. And now we are docking at our destination, Eminonu Pier. We step off the ferry and continue our journey through Istanbul.